Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and doing good. Welcome to our EVS class. Children, do you like to play with balloons? Yes. You all like to play with balloons, isn't it? Children, tell me what makes the balloon big? Yes, you are right. Air makes the balloon big. Children, have you ever flown a kite? Wow, that's great, children. What makes the kite fly high? Yes, very good, children. Air makes the kite fly high. Now, tell me, children, what are we going to study today? Yes, you are correct. Today we are going to study about air. The name of the lesson is air. Okay, children. First of all, what is air? Do you know, children? Air is a mixture of different gases. Air is a mixture of different gases. Is it present everywhere? Yes, good children. Air is present all around us. Air is present all around us. How do you know that air is present everywhere? Can you see it?
No, ma'am. We cannot see air, but we can feel it.
Yes, children, you are right. Now tell me, children, can living things live without air? Yes, very good. Living things cannot live without air. Living things cannot live without air. We all need air to breathe. Children, now we shall see some properties of air. Number 1, air occupies space. Children, when we blow air into a balloon, it inflates, isn't it? It means the air that we blow occupies space and gives shape. Next, number 2. Air has weight. Do you know, children? Air has weight. We can feel it on windy days when it blows on our face. Air can be either light or heavy. Air can be either light or heavy. Next, we are going to see about wind. Children, what is wind? Do you know? Yes, very good, children. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Children, if the wind blows at high speed, if the wind blows at high speed, it is called as storm. Soft wind is called as breeze. Soft wind is called as breeze. Have you all understood, children? Shall we read it once? Come on, children. Let's read it. Children, all of you take page number 73 in your EVS book. Air. Turn the next page, children. What is air? Air is a mixture of different gases. Air is a mixture of different gases that covers the earth. Air Air is all around us. Air is all around us. We can feel it. We can feel it. We cannot see it. We cannot see it. All living things, human beings, plants, and animals need air to breathe. All living things, human beings, plants, and animals need air to breathe. Living things cannot live without air. Living things cannot live without air. See this box, children? Living things need water or air to breathe. Say, children, which one is correct? Water or air? Very good, children. Air. Living things need air to breathe. Living things need air to breathe. Go to the next page, children. Properties of air. Properties of air. Air occupies space. When we blow air into a balloon, it inflates. When the air is let out, the balloon becomes smaller. The air that we blow occupies space and gives it a shape. What is the meaning of inflates? To be filled with air. To be filled with air. Next, air has weight. We can feel the wind blow on our face on a windy day. This shows that air has weight. Air can be light or heavy. Air can be light or heavy. Next, wind. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Wind can blow at different speeds. Wind can blow at different speeds. It can move in all directions. Sometimes it even blows in more than one direction at the same time. A pleasant and soft blowing wind is called breeze. A pleasant and soft blowing wind is called breeze. When the wind blows at a high speed. When the wind blows at a high speed, it is called a storm. It is called a storm. This could knock down a building
or uproot a huge tree.
What is the meaning of uproot? To pull a plant, including its roots, out of the ground. To pull a plant, including its roots, out of the ground. Children, all of you take page number 80. Now, we shall do some exercises. Number 1. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. A. Air or sun is all around us. Say, children, which one is correct? Yes, good. Air is all around us. Air is all around us. Next, B. We cannot see or see air Very good, children. We cannot see. We cannot see air, but we can feel or feel it. Say, children, which one is correct? We can feel it. We can feel it. Next, moving air is called rain or wind. Say, children, which one is correct? Very good. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Next, a soft blowing wind is called breeze or waves. Say, children, which one is correct? Very good. Breeze. A soft blowing wind is called breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. A soft blowing wind is called breeze. Next, wind carries space or sound to its surroundings. Wind carries sound to its surroundings. Wind carries sound to its surroundings. Go to the next page, children. 3. Tick the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. Do this as homework. And upload the image in the Fliplearn page.
Thank you, children. Have a nice day.